What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I did the super cool smoke and fire makeup tutorial. I think that this is really cool. I love like the gray, not black, like gray on the side of my face, and then the flames, and then the black under eye. I think it looks super cool. Kind of reminds me of like a race car type thing. I'm vibing with it though. I love it. And then the gold, obviously. I think it looks so cool. It is extremely hot in my room because my air conditioning is just not working, and I can't turn my fan on all the way because it'll make noise. So I'm kind of just trying to cruise through this. It got better, but it's still really hot. Anyways, if you guys would like to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Berkeley, love me. No? Maybe some other time. I already did my skin tint, my concealer, and my bronzer, and we are just gonna jump right into the eyes just because I do not want this video to be too long. My air conditioning is not working currently, so I have my fan on, but not on a good setting because if I put it on like the fullest setting, it's very loud. So I'm like sweating right now, and I'm doing a fire look. How great, you know? Love that. Anyways, we are pulling out my Morphe James Charles palette. The name's So I'm just gonna be going into the color Spooky, and I'm gonna be putting it on my crease, like very high up on my crease, right below my brow bone, and I'm gonna be dragging it all the way out past my brow. If you are confused, just watch me do it and then you'll understand. And I'm also gonna go very light on it. Okay guys, and now I'm going into the color You're Kidding, and I'm just gonna be blending it in with the color Spooky, just to like lighten that color up, just going underneath it, and again following that line. And we are going to be putting concealer on and defining the fire shape anyway, so don't worry if you make any mistakes. Okay, here comes the part I am afraid of. I'm going to be taking out a brush. I am using this. This is actually a nail brush, but I just got them, so it has never been used for my nails. Right here like this, if it is focusing, and it's very thin. I'm going to be using this to kind of draw out the fire. Kind of get creative with this. I'm going to look up some like posts of some fire looks that I've seen that I think like the shapes are good, and we're just going to be drawing it with concealer. You're pulling out my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm just going to be drawing the fire shape, and then after that I'm going to be filling it in. Hi. Hello. How are you doing today? Okay, this is the shape that I've got. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just kind of gonna use the concealer and really blend it into my eye with a different brush. Okay, it looks pretty cool so far. I'm pretty excited about it, I am not gonna lie. So now I'm gonna be going into the color B and just putting that kind of in like the center of my eyelid, just kind of blending it in, and then we'll be adding other colors obviously. Okay, and now I'm going into the color 518 and just putting that around the color B, blending it in, and you know, obviously trying to make it look as like flamey as possible and save some room because we will be putting red on. And now I'm just gonna go back in with my tiny brush and go back into the color You're Kidding and kind of just sketch out the flame. And remember, we're gonna be putting red eyeliner around this, or white eyeliner, I don't know yet, see? So just don't worry too much about mistakes, you can always fix them. Okay, I so far think it looks really good. I'm gonna start blending it out more and adding the red onto the rest of my lid. Just gonna blend it out and put the red color You're Kidding on the rest of my lid, and then we will outline the flame. Guys, it looks so cool. I literally love it. Also, I'm wearing a red shirt to match. Okay guys, I'm gonna be going back into the color Spooky and just really going in between where the colors You're Kidding and Spooky connect, and really defining the shadow of it, obviously, because this is gonna be like kind of representing the smoke of the look. So I'm just gonna be like going around it and just darkening up, adding some detail. Now I'm going into my NYX Professional's white liquid liner. I'm just gonna be outlining the flame. I think it looks really good so far. I'm really excited. Okay guys, now I'm pulling out my NYX Professional's That Is The Point eyeliner in the color Hella Fine, and I'm just gonna be doing my eyeliner regular, no wing, no nothing, just regular eyeliner. And now I'm just pulling out my NYX Professional's eye pencil, and this is in the color Black. What a shock. And I am just gonna be putting this on my waterline. No, okay. Go! I literally just freaking had it. What the heck? Maybe it's like, oh, there it is. Okay, and now I'm gonna be going back into the color Spooky and just putting that all the way underneath my eye because obviously it's smoke and fire. And I'm just gonna be like kind of bringing it out towards this little area of smoke. Now I'm just pulling out my Too Faced Tutti Frutti liquefied eyeshadow in the color Sweet Spot, and I'm just gonna be putting this in the inner corner of my eye and in the middle of my eyelid. Oh my gosh, I'm really happy with it. So I'm gonna go and do the other eye off camera and then we will finish everything else. I'm really excited. Okay guys, I am done with both eyes. I think it looks pretty freaking good. I love it. I kind of get like a little bit of some race car vibes from this. I don't know why. I think it's because like the fire and the red and the black, but really enthusiastic. Now I'm going into my Maddie Morphe lip cheek duo, and I am just going into the color Very Good, and I'm gonna do a little bit of this, nothing too crazy, obviously because I don't want to distract from the look. I just think this color will look the best because it's like goes with the look more than the lighter pink one does, but I'm only doing a little bit again because not about to mess up my face because it looks really freaking cool. Obviously fire is very light, so I'm pulling out my Becca highlighter in the color Pearl. I'm gonna be a little careful, obviously. We don't want to like distract the gray smoke, so I'm gonna just do my highlighter like right here, just because obviously again I don't want to distract from the smoke, you know? It's cool. Smoke is awesome. Now I'm just pulling out my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm obviously gonna be doing my mascara. Yo! Oh my gosh, I look dramatic as hell. It's amazing. Okay guys, now I'm pulling out my Too Faced Melted Matte Metallic Liquefied Lipstick in the color Faking and just putting this on my lips. And you're done. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or sing requests or anything like that. Not to my heart to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it'll be located in the end card, which is actually this way, but I always put it this way and I don't know why. It's in the end card linked along with my last video, which I think you should definitely check out, and the subscribe button, which you should totally subscribe to my channel because I do a lot of really fun looks, especially something like this. They're very cute and dramatic, and I think they're pretty entertaining, so definitely think about subscribing to me. My dog even subscribes to me. Actually, he doesn't, but you know. If he had a YouTube channel and could access it, I guarantee you he would subscribe to me. Wouldn't you, Berkeley? Yeah, that's a yes. I think that is all I have to say, so I'm just gonna say bye-bye, beauty babes. Love you, stay safe, happy, and healthy.
But I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no